Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. So today we are going to start exercise number 3A, question number 4. The question is the same topic for the exercise that you have to expand and then you have to simplify the quadratic expression. So let's start with the A part of the question number 4. A part of the question number 4 is 4 multiplied by 2a plus 3 plus 5 multiplied by a plus 3. This time what we have, that we have the one number outside the bracket plus 5 that is also outside the bracket. How to solve these type of questions? So my dear students, when we are solving these type of questions, you can see this outside value we have to multiply with this also, and this outside value we have to multiply with this also. In the same way, here this 5 will be multiplied with a2 and this 5 will be multiplied with 3, 2. So let's start multiplication now. When we are going to multiply, so we can see that the values are equal sign. 4 times 2 is 4 2s are 8 and a will be same as. Plus 4 3s are 12. Then plus sign same as, because here a also have the plus sign and 5 also have the plus sign. And we know the multiplication rule that the plus plus is equal to plus. It will be 5 1s are 5a plus 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 and 5 3s are 15. After this step, the next step is collecting the like terms. So as you can see, there is no square value, only a variable is here, a variable is with this term also, and two constants are there. So arrange them. 8a plus 5a plus 12 plus 15. So now what we have to do, that we have to add the coefficients of a. And we know that when we are going to add 8 plus 5, the answer is 13. 13a plus 12 and 15. When you are adding 12 and 15, the answer is 27. And that's final answer. How to do the question? Whatever number is outside the bracket, multiply that number with the first term also, with the second value also. And then after going to the multiplication step, what you have to do, that you have to collect the like terms. And after collecting the like terms, the last step is your final step. I will do one more example over here. That is the D part of the question. So my dear students, if you just look at the D part of the same question, the question is 6D multiplied by 5D minus 4 plus 2D into 3D minus 2. As we can see over here, that outside the bracket, there is not only the number, there is a variable also. So no problem. We will do the same thing. Multiply this whole 6D with the first value, whole 6D with the second value. From here, 2D with the first value and 2D with the second value. Let's start. This question is little bit different from the previous one. You have done your question number 2, where you multiplied the variables. So here 6D and 5D, they both are multiplied. They both have the variable D and D over here. So how we are multiplying when we have the same variable? Multiply the coefficient. First of all, 6 5s are 30. And when you multiply D with D, it will be D square. When you are going to multiply D with D, the answer is going to be D square. Answer is D square. So here plus minus minus, 6 4s are 24 and D will be there. First part is done. Move to the next part. Plus, 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 3 2s are 6. And then again, D when multiplied with the D, answer is D square. Plus, minus, minus, 2 2s are 4. D, this is the answer of that. After multiplication step, it's same as the previous one, that we have to collect the like terms. It will be 30D square plus 6D square minus 24D and minus 4D. As you can see over here, that if I just focus on these two numbers, they both have the like terms, D square and D square. Same variable is there with the square value. So I have to add the coefficient. When I'm going to add the coefficient, 30 plus 6 is 36D square. But What about the next? When I'm moving to the next value, I can see that one is minus 24D and other is minus 4D. What to do the coefficients over here? As you can see over here, the coefficients are, and both coefficients are negative. So my dear students, what you have to do, that you have to just simply add the coefficients. It will be 28 plus them and write the same sign. This addition rule we have done in your previous grade, that when we have the same sign, just add the numbers and write the same sign. So answer over here is minus 28D. That's the final answer of your question. I hope you understand. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.